Hey everyone, so today we're going to be taking a look at this wall mounted folding table by Invisible Bed. Now I got this during the last lockdown and it has served me pretty well. So today we'll be talking a little bit about this product first, and then I will show you what I did for the installation, and finally I'll talk about the use cases of this product. So to give you a little intro about this product, I think the build quality is pretty impressive. It's made out of MDF and has a glossy finish on top. So you can even use temporary markers to write some rough notes. And at the bottom, the brackets that I used, these are again of high quality. So I had seen a foldable table in a local store, and the brackets were not very nice, but these ones are pretty good. And the size that I bought, it's something around 26.6 inches by 22 inches. So there's plenty of space for a laptop and maybe a notebook, and also your mouse pad and the mouse itself. And since it's a foldable table, it's good where you have limited space, or if you're looking for a space saving option, then you should definitely go for this. And yeah, with respect to the budget as well, I think it's pretty economical. And with respect to the installation of this product, I must say that it was pretty simple, since the tabletop and the bracket, it comes already attached. So basically what you need to do is figure out the position where you want to mount it, make the markings, make the holes, and then the screws and the plugs are provided in the box itself. So you need to screw it tightly at the place that you want to install it. So I was able to do it all by myself, but I think it's better if you have two people to fix this. So this is the place on top where you have to screw in two screws, and at the bottom there's place for one more. It's over here. And when this product comes in the packet, in the box, the screws are placed behind this frame. So there's a little wrapper like thing over here, and then the screws are placed here. So it's basically done to not misplace anything. And finally, to talk a little bit about the use cases, so this product can be used pretty much for any purpose. Like for us, you can use it as a study table or a computer table, or you can even mount it somewhere around your kitchen if you need a small little countertop for something. So even that is possible. So the use cases are endless with this folding table, and since it's foldable, it's pretty simple to make space when you need it. And with respect to folding and unfolding the table, that is pretty simple as well. So there are two latches on the two sides of the bracket. Basically you need to pull these towards you, and then it releases the locking mechanism, and then you can fold the table. So this is how it looks in the folded form, and while unfolding it, you can just pick up the top portion, and there's a little locking like sound, so that ensures that the table is properly fixed. And one thing that I forgot to mention is about the size of this table. So the one that I have is 26.6 by 22 inches, but you get different size configurations as well, and I believe there's another color available as well. So I'll be sharing links for all of those different configurations that you get for this table in the description section below. So I think that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions about this product, then do post them in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel.